Hi, welcome to Semsah. My name is Susanna. I hope you guys are well, especially in the season of lockdown that we're in. I thought I would introduce you guys to how to secure a button. So if your buttons come undone and you're somewhere, or your garment you found in a wardrobe that has no button, you're not able to wear it, how can you secure it quickly? So I'm going to show you guys how I do it, because there's so many videos and books about this, but I'm all about quick and easy. So follow me. What you need first of all is a button, and then a place where you want to put your button. So I've done one before, so I have a marking here, and then what I use is a pin, because sometimes I don't really have a toothpaste, so pins I always have in my house. So if that is also in your house, pins, use that. And that's mainly to make sure that the button isn't securely too tight on your fabric, so it's not pulling your fabric, and it's easier to pull through the hole, the buttonhole. So first thing first is to ensure that your threads is through your needle, and also to ensure you have a knot at the end of your thread. So how you create a knot is by creating a loop and twisting that at the end to create a knot. Then wherever your hole is, pull through the thread, and then go through your first hole of your button. This is a 2-hole button. It's the same principle that will apply for a 4-hole button. Then you put your pin in between the 2 holes, and this can be quite fiddly because you have to keep the pin in place while you loop over it. So I create my first loop, my thread is quite long, so that can be a bit fiddly, so make sure it's not too long. Also ensure that it doesn't pull too tight on the fabric, and then you go through the same hole and then go to the other hole, and I will do this at least 3 times just to make sure it's tight enough. And also it'll be nice to make sure it goes to the same hole that you created it. And then go through it again. So a nicer part, I don't like cutting off at here, because you can cut it off from here, or you can put a needle through the back, and then at least the thread end is at the back of your garment and not the front. And there you have it. Your button securely done and ready to be used for your garment. So if you have any more questions or you want more explanation, just DM me or email me. Hope to speak to you guys again. Bye bye and have a blessed day.